Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're on the Windows user that owns the profile, because Edge ties profiles to local accounts. Once done, close other apps to reduce sync issues, and if bookmarks matter, export them quickly. Now open Microsoft Edge and move straight to the profile icon in the top right corner. This is where profile management lives. You're taking action immediately. Click the profile circle to expose the menu and settings. This gets you ready for the removal steps. You'll now navigate inside the profile management area to pick the exact profile to remove. After clicking Manage Profile Settings, scan the list and select the profile by name or avatar so you don't delete the wrong one. Make sure to check whether it's signed in. If so, sign out to stop further syncing. Once you've identified it, open the three-dot menu on that profile tile and choose Remove. Confirm when prompted. Edge will explain what data will be deleted, so read the prompt before confirming. Finish by confirming the removal prompt. This deletes the local profile and signs it out. After you confirm, make sure Edge closes any lingering windows from that profile. If the profile still appears in the menu, restart Edge. A quick restart often clears UI cache. If you use Sync, sign into account. Microsoft. Com to disconnect or clear sync data so the profile doesn't reappear. And if problems persist, sign out of all Edge profiles, and then remove the target profile again to force a clean removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.